the leading reason a student should take tech is building skills and a portfolio of skills that they can take with them through grades 10, 11, and 12 and into post-secondary. On our two hoists here, we have general daily repair work. We have professional detailing bay here where we get into paint correction, ceramic coating, interior shampooing, leather treatment, fabrication stuff that's happening in vehicle modifications. We get into power sports, so the recreational side, working on snowmobiles, ATVs, dirt bikes. Everything in here is live work, so a lot of it is super relevant and a direct comparison to industry.
I've took tech because I've always kind of grown up in tech. My dad works in trades and I've always kind of had an interest in heavy equipment.
I take tech because it gave me a wide variety of new skills to learn and take with me into my future and currently. Not only skills about automotive, but also about myself. I have really found who I am in this class, and it's given me much more confidence and who I really need to be.
I take tech because I grew up very interested in mechanics. I would fix lawnmowers and sell them, and then this course gave me the skills I needed to continue into the trades. After high school, I want to go into aviation and become a small airline mechanic.
Because there's a little bit of everything we do in here, from just basic tire changes to any more intricate scanning or anything like that.
I take tech because I've always been interested in growing up with it. Always had something going on at home to work on, living on the farm. First took it in grade 10. It was my first time taking it. I didn't know hardly anything about it. Miss Schmeidt taught me a lot about it, and we're still learning. Then I got into it as a job. I work in a truck and coach shop.
We also encourage any student to take this course, not only if you're going auto service, truck and coach, or any trade, but majority of these kids are going to be into vehicle ownership and really just a well-rounded approach of what vehicle ownership is and looks like and costs.